Okay, so I just got a package from RJ or Ryan. He's on Skype right now, and I'm gonna open it. I don't know how you. It's my first package from him ever. Yay! He said he wasn't gonna give it to me, but he gave it to me! Yay! Oh shit. Lakers jersey! My new liquid. Oops. And my planner! Yay! Thank you, baby! Okay.